easy go.
Oh hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create and compose your own music, and for that we use Bosca Ceoil or Bosca Ceoil or whatever, and it's also created by Techi09 and it's really nice. Huge shout out to this person, and the download link will be down in the description below so that you guys don't have to worry about that. And first let's start off with the basics. Scrolling. Yes, if you put can you see my cursor? Yeah, that white border, you can increase it and then place a block by using left click and delete it by using right click. And you can also scroll around and place some random blocks around. You can basically control how long one note lasts long. For detailed explanation, I'm going to show you guys 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, guys. Here's 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I play it using spacebar or this button over here, when I play it using those buttons, it comes one by one. And to reduce that, you just place it over there and then enjoy to the one note. And also a cool thing and feature is that when you play, this logo starts to move, and when you stop, the logo stops as well. I mean, that's a cool feature added in. And I mean, placing some random blocks, but you should also this is basically placing them in the random blocks and selections and stuff like that. But you should also remember, in order to make a nice music, you should place them in kind of a pattern like this, like 4 space, like this, and like this, then like this, and all. So guys, yeah, that's kinda it. And yeah, basically that's the basics, and now let's go in depth. So for that, you go to arrangements, and then you add new to add a new instrument. But firstly, you need to add new instrument after going to instrument, and then you can click on this drop down menu and this one to edit how you want it to be. And you can add a guitar, jazz guitar, and also change this one to piano, and I want to change it to jazz, yeah, some kind of, I'm gonna change it to normal MIDI and take grand piano. No, I want bright piano, so let's just go and take bright piano. You can also choose electric piano, your choice, but let's just go with that for now. And firstly, you can go into this and then edit and choose whatever instrument you want insert, and then this basically a prefab or something like it. When you make changes to one block, all the changes happens to the others as well. So this is basically that kind of a thing. Plus it's very simple to use, and if you place it like this, you can see all of them are making updates instantly. So let's just play and see how it is. First, if you want, and also I forgot to mention this, if you want to increase how much you want to listen, all of this you want to listen, just increase to how much you want to listen, and then it's basically a ringtone. it sounded like a ringtone, like seriously. But it still sounds fine. I mean, it's not put into too much work, that's why it's sounding bad, but I also have a music that has been put into a lot of work. So let me just load it in. And it's also my first one, basically. And now let's just play it. I really like the tone, and yeah. I'm also gonna go through the second song that I composed, and it's basically this. Yeah, a lot. It might look really good song at first, but it's kind of basic as well. This is also kind of basic. So let's just play it. You can just play it. Give you the file, the download file for this down in the description below. Yeah, and that's almost it. Plus, I forgot to mention this swing thing, which basically multiplies how much each tone or each block plays. Yeah, it's not a good fit for this music, so let's just set it to 0. And instrument. If you go here, you can like make it so that it will end at this amount of time, and then it will like lower its sound and background. Everything will lower itself and then end in a nice way. Let me just explain. And play first, then I'm gonna adjust this and show you guys. And also it can be also used for like starting up a fresh and upbeat song. So yeah guys, that's basically it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Plus, I also forgot to mention, this part, export over here, helps you like finish your song and save it as a WAV file or an MID file. Yeah, these are, I don't know what these files I actually play as, but I only know what WAV play as, and that's music. And it will pretty much work on any device. You don't have to download any external application to play this WAV file on any device. Just in case if you guys were wondering on sending this on any like messaging application to your friends and family. But yeah guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss any upload on this channel. And without further ado, let's just roll the outro guys. Peace.